So
I don't know where the water's coming from.
yeah. So this is my sister. So this is a little flood that happened. So
And then outside it's like the
this is
water
like-
is absolutely freezing. It was like hail.
this is like my gaming room, and look, it's completely wet. Okay, like completely wet. Because like a thunderstorm happened, and I look outside. Look at that. Look, and if more come, this could potentially be even bigger than nice, even a
Hey,
million.
bro, did you turn the switches off where the PlayStation is?
Oh no.
Okay, turn it off, buddy.
Where is it though?
Buddy, look at wherever your stuff is.
Turn it.
Wait, why can't I have them in the laundry? They're going ballistic. Okay, come on, Brandon.
Where's the switches? Oh my god.
I have the title mark. Come on, Brandon.
Wait. Okay, I turned off that. Oh my god, this has never ever happened to me.
Come on, Brandon. And then Brandon will go. You have your phone?
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm very sorry for just. Huh? Shut. If we look out here, it's not that bad.
I know, because it just went past. It just went past nobody. I should have seen what it looked like before.
This has never ever happened. I'm genuinely terrified.
You are? Okay, let's just sit here for a little bit until we know the storm is gone. Okay, just